Welcome back. We are on the topic sequence and series. In the previous video, we solved a question on finding the number of a term in an AP when the value of the term has been given to us. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is: find the number of terms in the AP -7, -4, -1, 2, and the order continues up to 137. We have been given a finite sequence, that is, a sequence whose last number is known. The last number is 137. The question wants us to find the number of terms in this AP. So we know that 7 is the first term, -4 is the second term, -1 is the third term, 2 is the fourth term. So if we continue in that order, what will be the number of the term whose value is 137? Because that is the last term. So if we're able to find the number of the term whose value is 137, that will give us the number of terms in this AP. We have learnt that the value of a term in an AP is denoted by UN, and UN is given by the formula A plus (n minus 1) times D, where A is the first term of the AP, N is the number of the term whose value we want to find, and D is the common difference. So in this AP, A is the first term. The first term is -7, so A is equal to -7. D is the common difference. We have learned how to find the common difference in an AP. We said that you pick a term, then you subtract the term before it from it. So here, to find the common difference, I'm going to pick the second term, that is -4. Then I'll subtract the term before it from it. The term before it is -7. So the common difference is going to be equal to -4 minus -7. And that will give us 3, because -4 minus -7 will be -4 plus 7. And -4 plus 7 is equal to 3. So we have the first term as -7 and the common difference as 3. Just as I have stated earlier, we want to find the number of terms in this AP, but 137 is the last term. So if you're able to find the number of the term whose value is 137, that answer will give us the number of terms in the AP. We don't know the number of the term whose value is 137. So let's represent that by n. So let's say that n is equal to the number of the term whose value is 137. So if you're able to find n, our answer will be the same as the number of the terms in the AP, since 137 is the last term. Because n is the number of the term whose value is 137, we can say that UN is equal to 137. We are going to substitute this information into the formula to find the value of n. This will give us UN, which is 137, is equal to A is -7, so we have -7 plus n minus 1 times D, and D is 3. So we open the bracket. We are going to have 137 is equal to -7 plus 3 times n will give us 3n. 3 times -1 will give us -3. And this is going to be equal to 137 is equal to -7 minus 3 will give us -10. And we have 3n here. So we will have 137 is equal to -10 plus 3n. So we have -10 plus 3n is equal to 137. We group like terms. We are going to have 3n is equal to 137 plus 10. And 137 plus 10 will give us 147. So 3n is equal to 147. We divide the left hand side by 3, the right hand side by 3. So n will be equal to 147 divided by 3, and that is equal to 49. So n is equal to 49. But remember, we said that n will represent the number of the term whose value is 137. and that number will be the same as the number of the terms in the AP, since 137 is the last term in the AP. So if n is equal to 49, then we can say that there are 49 terms in the AP. That means that 137 is the 49th term in the AP. So minus 7 is the first term, and 137 is the 49th term. So there are 49 terms in the AP. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve a question on how to find the value of a term in an AP when we are given the values of two terms in the AP. Bye-bye.